Hi and welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be applying this Scotchgard 3M door edge protectors. This is a PPF film that'll go on clear to protect the edges. Instruction says to mix a solution of 75% water and 25% isopropyl alcohol in a spray bottle. So we'll start by cleaning this edge and wiping it down with a nice clean cloth. And then you take the door edges and sort of make sure it fits properly. These are 4/30 inches. So if they work out as is, great. If not, I can cut them down. And then they say make sure your hands are clean, that there's no wind to spray any kind of debris. And in my case, I'm going to use gloves. That way I don't have to worry about dirty hands. So I'll start by cleaning the door edges. Start by cleaning the door edge. And then I can open up the package. So for the back door, there's something here, so it can't go all the way to the top. So go from about here. And I think it just goes slightly beyond there. So cut it around here. And I'll cut two to that length, I guess. Here. Okay, so those are two for the back. I'll put these aside so we don't mix them up. Say clean your hands with the solution. And then try to peel the backing off. It's proving not to be so easy. So after much effort, I finally got it. Now apply it starting from the top, put it halfway the door. And then just work my way down. So the lighting is not the best here. stretched it a little bit, so I'll cut it off. Just fold it over. There it is on one door. We'll see how long this lasts. I think it could have been a little bit wider. Make sure there's no bubbles. Hopefully it'll stick for a long time. As I said, I think it could be a little wider, but I guess next one I won't do quite half. I'll do a little bit less than half because of the thickness of the door. Not a lot on the back side. Okay, so I'll go and do the other back door. So that was this one here, so I'll just cut a little bit off. Here's the driver's side door, so just spray it clean. Good. Wash my hands again. And then peel the backing. So I do find the hardest part of this is removing the backing. Okay, so we start just below that spot. I do a little less than half this time. Get started. Cut a little bit off the top. Now fold it over all the way. Okay, looks pretty good. Now for the front. This one doesn't have anything above there, so I'll go there. Cut that one right about here. I'll cut the other one the same. Clean the door edge with the solution. Wash my hands. And now we'll try to peel this again. So again, a lot of fun taking the backing off, but anyways, I got it now. So let's start here. Less than half. Go way down. Again, just to trim it a little bit. And fold it over. All bubbles out if there's any. There's the third door done. Now one more to go. And we'll start by spraying the solution. Just clean it, the door edge. We're ready to apply the last one. Starting here. Looks good. trim a little off the bottom. And then fold it over. So I think it looks good. After about 3.5 months, the door edge protected film looks as good as it did when it was first applied. So I'm really happy with this product. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks again for watching. Hope to see you again soon. Bye.